Hi friends, again welcome back. So friends, in this video I am going to discuss with you AWS S3 cross account access, right? So friends, this is very important. Definitely interviewer ask the question. Suppose that I have account, so I want access particular user or client S3 bucket. So how is it possible and how you can access? This is very important. So suppose that this is your production environment bucket or this is your client bucket, right? So make sure what I'm saying. So how you can access? So here I'm going to write here production team, and this is USA team, right? So friends, I want access this USA team bucket, right? So what is the prerequisites and requirement? How you can do this? Let's see here. First of all, this is USA team or your client. How you can access that bucket? So this is bucket and I want access this bucket. So just I am going to make a diagram so easily you can understand. So friend, this is the bucket and I want access this bucket. Suppose the name of this bucket is John Cena, right? This is John Cena bucket. So I want access this John Cena bucket and inside some data available, right? So how is it possible? So in production environment, you will have to create IAM user first. So first you need to create IAM user. Then here required ARN number of this user, and here you will have to assign the permission. So I will assign here S3 full access. Okay, so let's see the practical easily you can understand. So how you can access this S3 bucket, right? So here two different accounts. So this is the production team account and this is USA team account. So I want access this USA team account bucket with the help of this production team account. How you can do this? Let's see on the console section so easily you can understand. So first I will go to this production team account. So this is production team account. So here I am going to copy this account ID so easily you can understand, right? So here I am going to copy account number and this is the US team, so this is my different account, so I am going to copy this account number so easily you can understand, right? So two different account here now. Okay, so now see, first go to this production team, it means this is my production team, and go to this production team. First you will have to go to the IAM user, create IAM user, and I'm going to the IAM user. So first go to the user section and create a user, right? So I am going to add a user here, this production team. So this is the username and the username is production user, prod hyphen user. Okay, so here friends you will have to give access key, so secret key. So with the help of command line I will access this, right? S3 bucket. So I am giving here access key pragmatic access, not the console password. Okay, so then do the next here and go to the attach policy, and here I am going to assign S3 full access. Next, and you can give the tag here, uh, prod hyphen user, then next and create user. So user is created. Now I'm going to access login this user via CMD, right? So we have to require access key or secret key. Go to your CMD section and right here AWS configure, enter, So I write misspelled configure. So friends, here required access key and secret key. So you can copy this access key and control V, and your secret key, copy this secret key and paste, and default reason and table format I'm going to say, right? So first you need to go this diagram. Suppose that in this production team any bucket is available, so I am going to delete any bucket is created in this. So it is very important for this practical. So I want access from this production team to this John Cena bucket. Okay, so any bucket, first you can go to the incognito window and search S3. If any bucket is available, you can delete, no problem. So there is two buckets, Sunil Rajak bucket and the rock bucket. So you can delete this bucket. So I'm going to delete. If the bucket is empty, you will have to do the empty first. Now you can delete this bucket. Right, one more bucket is, you can delete this bucket also. It is not empty. First you need to empty this bucket again. Bucket empty. Now you can delete this bucket also. So bucket is deleted. Now go to the console section. Now use here command friends, AWS S3ls. If any bucket available in this account production team, so definitely it will show, but I deleted all the bucket, right? So there is no bucket. Now I am going to access this bucket, John Cena bucket. First you will have to go this US team. It means this account, US team account. So I am going to this US team account, and this is the account number, different account. Okay, so I am going to bucket. So already I have bucket this John Cena bucket, right? This is the bucket. So I am going to copy this name, John Cena bucket 321, my bucket name, right? So I will list this bucket. So how you can do this? Just go to the console section and use the command here, AWS S3ls, and which bucket you want list. So use here colon and double slash your bucket name. So bucket name is, friends, you can copy directly this John Cena bucket and 321 and copy here. So what kind of error here will show? So friends, you can see the access deny, right? Because the permission is not allow for this US team, right? So this US team will create the policy and will attach the policy in this bucket. Okay, so after attach the policy, this user can access this bucket. Okay, so how you can attach the policy? So directly come on the Google section and use here AWS, search AWS S3 policy generator. So go inside and AWS policy generator. So we are generating for the S3 bucket. So you can select. Now friends, here require the principal. You know the principal. So you need to add this ARN number of this IAM user, right? So here we created the user. So here required the principal of ARN number of this user from production team. So we have created the user is prod hyphen user. So here required the ARN number of. So let's go to this production team and copy the ARN number of IAM user. So this is my user and this is prod hyphen user. So here required ARN number. So this is the ARN number. You can copy and go to the S3 bucket policy and copy here in principal. Now friends, action, what kind of permission you want assign this prod hyphen team for this user. So here you can assign for this. So you can see create access point, delete access point. So now let's go and I'm going to assign list permission. Okay, list access point or list the bucket or only list the bucket. Okay, so inside the content they can list. Okay, so I'm going to assign only list the bucket. Now here required ARN number, so make sure here which ARN number is required. So here required this USA team bucket ARN number. Make sure. So just go to the bucket name and bucket name is John Cena bucket. So go to this bucket name and here you will have to copy the ARN number. So yeah, this is the ARN number, John Cena bucket. Then go to the policy generator, then copy here. Now add generate the policy. So this is the policy and copy this and you will have to go this US team bucket policy and here go to the properties of sorry go to the permission and go to this bucket policy and edit the policy and you will have to copy and paste your generated policy. Control V and save changes. Now friends, we have assigned the policy. Now here you will use this command, so definitely it will list the bucket John Cena bucket. AWS S3 LS John Cena bucket 321. Again use. So friends, now you can see the list of this bucket. Okay, so in this bucket this data is available. Which data, which bucket? This John Cena bucket. So this user from the production team access the USA team bucket, right? So this is the way you can assign the policy bucket policy and particularly you can access this bucket. Definitely interviewer ask the question, suppose that I want access the bucket and for 1 hour 3 hour, how you can do this? So particular data I want access, so you will have to know, you will have to create S3 cross account access and create bucket policy and assign this. So how you can create, directly go inside the AWS policy generator and you can generate the policy, right? So this is the way of access this S3 bucket cross account access, right? So I hope you understand this data available John Cena. Manually you can go in the graphical section John Cena S3 bucket, you can check the data also. Okay, available data is NRP, so this is list here patch.txt, this data is available, right? Patch.txt. So this is the way. So hope you guys video is helpful and see you in the next video with new topic. Bye bye, take care, all the best.